Good morning students, I am Ahmed Khazi, your maths teacher from Little Star English High School. In the last video, we have learned the various numbers, that is natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. We have also learned to place these rational numbers on a number line. In this lecture, we are going to start the practice set 1.1 for rational and irrational numbers. The first question of this practice set is show the following numbers on a number line. We have been given certain numbers, we have to place them on a number line. The first subject is 3 upon 2, 5 upon 2 and minus 3 upon 2. We have to place these numbers on a number line. The first step of this will be we have to draw a number line. So first we will draw a line with arrows on both sides. At the center of this line, we will place the number 0. On right hand side of 0 will be the positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. On the left hand side, the numbers will be negative like minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. Now this is the basic number line. We have to place these numbers on this number line. So first we'll see the denominator. Denominator here of the first number is 2, second number is also 2 and third number is also 2. So between each section of the number line we will divide it into two equal parts. So here it will be first from between 0 and 1 we have placed 1 point. This point divides the segment from 0 to 1 into 2 parts. Similarly between 1 and 2 it will divide into 2 equal parts. Again from 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 5. Similarly on the left hand side of 0, between 0 and minus 1 there will be 1 point. We are dividing it into 2 equal parts because the denominator here is 2. Between minus 1 and minus 2 there will be another point, minus 2 and minus 3, minus 3 and minus 4, minus 4 and minus 5. Now the first number is 3 upon 2. We have already used the number 2. By using this we have divided the number line into 2 equal parts. Now using the numerator 3, from 0 we will count up to 3. From here this is 0, this will be 1, this is 2 and this number will be the number 3 upon 2. So this point on the number line will be 3 upon 2. Now next number is 5 upon 2. We have to place this number on the number line. So again the denominator is 2, we have divided it into 2 equal parts. The numerator is 5. So from 0 we will count up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This number will be 5 upon 2. Now we have to place the first number and the second number. Now we have to place the third number on the number line. Third number is minus 3 upon 2. The number is negative, so it will be on the left hand side. So counting will be done on the left hand side of the number line. The minus on the left hand side, the denominator is 2. We have already divided it into 2 equal parts. Now the number is 3. We will count 3 from 0 to the left side. 1, 2 and 3. This number will be minus 3 upon 2. The second question is 7 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5 and minus 4 upon 5. We have to place these 3 numbers on a number line. The first step is draw the number line. We'll make 2 arrows at both ends of the number line. At the center of the number line, place the number 0. On the right hand side, numbers will be positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. On the left hand side, the numbers will be negative minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. Now in the given numbers, the denominator is 5. So each section of the number line we have to divide into 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts because the denominator is 5. So between 0 and 1 we will divide it into 5 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From 1 to 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From 2 to 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly, on the left hand side, we have to divide it into 5 equal parts as well. From 0 to minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Minus 1 to minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From minus 2 to minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We are dividing into 5 equal parts because the denominator is 5. Now the first number is 7 upon 5. The numerator is 7. So we will count up to 7 from 0 to the right side because the number is positive. From 0 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This point will be the number 7 upon 5. Next number is minus 2 upon 5. The number is negative. So we'll count from 0 to the left hand side. The number is minus 2. So from 0 to left, 1 and 2. This number will be minus 2 upon 5. Now the next number is minus 4 upon 5. We have to count up to 4 on the left hand side of 0. From 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4. This number will be minus 4 upon 5. The third question and the fourth question will be for homework. In the third question, the denominator is 8. So each section of number line you have to divide into 8 equal parts. Similarly, for the fourth question, the denominator is 10. So for each section of the number line, you have to divide it into 10 equal parts. Of practice at 1.1 is observe the number line and answer the following questions. Now, in the question you have given a number line and some questions. We have to answer these questions. The first question is, which number line is indicated by point B? Let us first carefully observe the number line. The point at the center 0, it is named as O. Each section of the number line from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, it is divided into 4 equal parts. We are counting it 1, 2, 3 and 4. Each section is divided into 4 equal parts. And there are numbers 1 to 3 on the right hand side and the negative numbers minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3 on the left hand side. Now we have to find the point B on the number line. Point B here, it is on the left hand side of the number line. So the number will be negative. It will be negative because it is on the left hand side of 0. Now each section is divided into 4 equal parts. Counting again 1, 2, 3 and 4. Each section is divided into 4 equal parts. So the number in the denominator will be 4. Now point B is here. We will count from 0 till point B. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The number will be 10. So the numerator will be 10 because point B comes at the 10th point. And the denominator is 4 because each section is divided into 4 equal parts. Now we can further simplify this number because both 10 as well as 4 are divisible by 2. So we can write 10 as minus as it is, 10 as 5 multiplied by 2 and 4 as 2 multiplied by 2. This 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. The answer comes as minus 5 upon 2. This number minus 10 upon 4 and minus 5 upon 2. Both are the right answers. Okay. Third question is, state whether the statement, the point D denotes the number 5 upon 2 is true or false. Now we have to find whether the statement, given statement is true or false. The statement is point D denotes the number 5 upon 2. Now on the number line, point D is here at this point. Now counting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So point D denotes the number 10 and the denominator should be 4, as each section of the number line is divided into 4 equal parts. The point D denotes the number 10 upon 4, but in the statement it is 5 upon 2. Now seeing as 10 and 4 both are divisible by 2, they can be divided by 2, hence we will simplify it further. So we can write it as 5 multiplied by 2, and 4 we can write it as 2 multiplied by 2. 2 gets cancelled, the number comes as 5 upon 2. So point D denotes the number 5 upon 2, hence the given statement is true. Today we have completed practice set 1.1 of the first chapter, rational and irrational numbers. In the next video we will start the comparison between two rational numbers and start with practice set 1.2. Thank you and have a nice day.